Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Etsy affiliate program. So first of all, what is Etsy? Etsy, it's American e-commerce company focused on handmade or vintage items and craft supplies. These items fall under a wide range of categories, including jewelry, as you can see here. And there's so many items you can sell, digital products as well. So as you can see, these guys, let's say this one is selling prompts. So it's not only, physical or vintage items or handmade stuff. There is also items like only the jewelry or clothing or homemade, home. There's so many options, which is really pretty cool. Like you can really sell pretty much a lot of things on Etsy. Craft supplies, vintage. Look, so many things you can sell on Etsy. And Etsy also has this thing, affiliate marketing. So if I scroll all the way, affiliate market also has affiliate program. Now, if I scroll all the way down here, you can see affiliates and creators. If I click on this, you can see Etsy affiliates and creators. Sign up for the program that fits, earn a commission for every one-of-a-kind piece you discover and share when you sign up to become an Etsy affiliate or create a co-member. So now I'd like to become to join the affiliate program. Media editors, publications, bloggers. So join Etsy affiliate program to earn commissions, gain insights, and access to native ads that can enhance your site's content. You can also join Creator Co. Social media content creators. This program is for you. This is for media, editorial publications, and bloggers. And for social media content creators, this is the program for you. Join Etsy Creator Co., where you can earn commissions and additional Etsy perks from the content you create on social media. So, as you can see here, if you have, now depends what you're doing. And here we have, as I said, two options. You can, when you write a blog, this is for affiliate marketers. Etsy has an affiliate program and is a way for you to earn money, create content online, and make money by promoting Etsy products. When you join your affiliate program, you'll get special links to Etsy products, and if someone clicks on those links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission from it. Plus, they also give you access to some helpful tools like native ads, which can make your website or content even better. So that's a good option. Now for Creator Go, as I said, if you are creating like social media, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Etsy Creator Go program is where it's at. This is designed especially for social media content creators like you. So you'll still earn commissions just like with the affiliate program, but you'll also get some extra perks from Etsy. These perks could include things like exclusive access to products, promotion, or other cool stuff like a partnership where Etsy rewards you for showcasing their products to followers on social media. And if you mainly promote your Etsy shop on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, then the one you'd want to join is called Creator Go. So if you mainly promote your Etsy product, your Etsy, um, if you promote your Etsy shop on social media platforms, like, so if you have a social media or you promote products on social media or you create content related to shops online, and then you have like an Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, then you like to join the Creator Go. It's designed for folks to create content on social media, and it's a great way to earn some extra perks and commissions by showcasing Etsy products to social media followers. And on the other hand, if you are more into running a blog or a website where you talk about and recommend Etsy products, then the perfect fit for you would be Etsy affiliate program. This is one lets you earn commissions when people click on your affiliate links and make purchases on Etsy. Now I'm gonna go with Creator Go because I have a YouTube channel. Now here I have to click on apply. Now join Creator Go. Whether you're a seller or Etsy lover, promote one of the kind items on social media and earn commissions on sales. Now here we have to enter our username and password and just log in. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna pause the video and log into this. After you enter your password and email, this is what you should see. Check your email for activation link, and then this is I received on my email this link. Now I clicked on that, and this is what I see here. Add your social media accounts. Etsy Creator Go requirements. Thank you for interest in Etsy Creator Go. Okay, now I'm gonna select here YouTube, and I have to connect my YouTube channel and add permissions. Add permissions, connect to Facebook as well, and then click on next. All right. Well, this is what you have to do if you go to Creator Go. Then you'll go with step one, step number three, and step number four. All right. Now, if you click on Join Affiliate Program, this it's almost the same. But if you click here, now I just have to wait. And here we have Etsy, and we have to join with Awin. That's the difference pretty much here. Let me change to English. So that's the difference here because we have to join with Awin. So we have to create an account on Awin here. So now we have to click on here, register and sign up for the program. Here we have some detail, Etsy affiliate program. And here, when you sign up, if you sign up for this program, you can earn commissions by promoting unique items from Etsy Global Marketplace. Etsy is like this massive. It has a lot of, kinds of cool stuff, creative stuff, handmade stuff, vintage treasures. Anyone can apply for this program, but there are a few profiles that currently won't fit, like cashback sites and those offering coupons and discounts. You can check out their fee, or their affiliate program regulations for more info. And what is cool about this program is available in several countries, including USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Scandinavia, and even for the rest of the world. Commissions are paid regardless of where the sale happens. And if you're an Etsy seller, you're invited to join too. It's a great way for sellers to earn commissions by promoting their own shop and other stores on Etsy, supporting the whole Etsy community. If you mainly promote your creations on platforms like you'll be part of the Etsy Creator Go program. To join Etsy seller, you just need to declare all the Etsy stores you own when you sign up. Now let's talk about numbers. The standard commissions rate for a publisher is 5, and the cookies last for 30 days on web and 7 days on the app. Just a heads up though, commissions aren't given for purchases made with gift cards with certain payment options. If you want to share Etsy affiliate links on social media, it's totally allowed as long as it's your original content, not just copied from Etsy.com. There are some specific rules for Pinterest though, so make sure you check those out. To get paid, you need to make sure all your payment details are set up in your account. They also offer banners and product feeds to help you promote Etsy products, and they have a newsletter with market trends and tips for affiliates. Lastly, they mentioned that depending on where you are, there might be different rules about disclosure and advertising testimonials, especially in the United States. And now, what it means 30 days cookies, I'm going to explain because this is very important. So, cookies lasting 30 days Now we're talking about affiliate marketing and online marketing. We're not referring to any delicious baked threads. Instead, we're talking about something called browser cookies. In online world, a cookie is a small piece of data that a website sends to your web browser when you visit it. This is like this data stores on your computer device. Cookies have a various purpose, but when it comes to affiliate marketing, these 30 days cookies, what it means basically is that if someone clicks on your affiliate link from your website, from a YouTube, this cookie is placed on their browser, and that this will remember their interaction for a period of 30 days. So here how it works. In that period of time, user interaction. Now let's say you click on an affiliate link to a product or website such an Etsy, as mentioned in previous. Um, as mentioned previously, the affiliate link contains a unique identifier tied to affiliate who shares it. The affiliate who shared the link may receive a commission for the sale because their unique affiliate code was stored in their cookie. So the 30-day means that if you make a purchase from that website within a month after checking the affiliate's link, the affiliate may earn a commission on the sale. That's basically what it means, all right? Now we have to click on here, register and sign up for the program. And we have to create an account on Awin. Awin, what is Awin basically? Awin is like a global affiliate marketing network that connects advertisers and publishers who want to promote products and services online. And Awin offers a platform that provides some really nice features. So now here, guys, what you have to do is register with Awin now and start earning with affiliate marketing. And if you're an Instagram influencer, you can click on here. Now click on join Awin. Now here we have our browser, country, name, email, confirming my password and confirm password. All right, and here what they're saying here basically is that you have to basically about partners push to express the okay in order to achieve. You can read this as well, and then here we can type our name, tax residence, and then we go to the next step. Here now next step number 2, main country. Here select your country, your main country, and once you select your main country, here we have type of promotion, cashback. This means these folks offer their membership. You offer membership discount, and when shop online, you buy something, you get some money back. That's the discount. Publisher offer their members discounts in exchange. Now discount code. These websites list all sorts of discount promo codes and special deals you can use when you're shopping online or in stores. Communities use generated content. This publisher hosts online communities where people will with similar interests come together. Comparators, if ever wonder if you're getting the best deal with your shopping online, this website help you compare prices. Creator content creators, so bloggers, social media, that's part of their category. Editorial content, those people write content, articles, and this include links and lead generation. So I'll go here first with content creator. I'll just check this and then this one, and then here I'll go with traffic. So make sure you look for display, which one for your website is the best. Retargeting, email, I'll go newsletting and email generation, and direct linking. Now select the main. And here is the really important. Here you have tell advertiser what you do. This information would appear on your profile. So here enter your website, what you do, sectors, and then this is very important, the next step. All right, so I'm just gonna complete this and I'll be back. Now here is very important step number 4, because here you have to enter your nation, apartment and street, city, state, and invitation. Call all online payment. Alright, so this is the verification method. They'll verify you. And if you click on here, let's say we choose online payment, and we just fill all the information here, and that's what I'm gonna do in a second. And this is really important here because they have to verify you. So they'll just take 1 euro from your account to verify this process. Here enter car number, expiry date, and then name of the car holder, security code. Or you can use also express payment, which one you which method you like from here. You can choose express payment or payment details and click on payment available. This will verify your payment, and that way you'll be verified, and then I'll accept the win. You'll accept your request to be a part of this program. So I really hope you found my tutorial valuable. Now to promote guys Etsy, what you have, how you can promote Etsy. First you need obviously a blogger if you have a blogger, a website. If you don't have a website and you want to join as a blogger, make sure you start a blog or website with hosting and subscription, and then you can just create content about different items. You can compare items, you can do reviews, you can just talk about different items, and that way you can earn commissions. But just gonna take time to build a website because it's not easy to build a website. Something you can do, you can also read this affiliate policy. It's important to read this affiliate policy. And remember now, if you have a YouTube channel or um, Instagram account, you can create creator go, commission rates, qualifiers. You can read all of this. It's important to read this. So thank you guys for watching. I really hope you found my video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.